How to tie a perfect bow. Cross over once like you normally would. Now create a loop with the top tail, then fold the bottom tail and feed it through the opening. Now grab the tie in the back and front pull at the same time. Here's another angle. Now straighten and done. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more tips.
Sunday morning rain is falling. Dress and cover, share some skin.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
He was out of breath, but he kept on dancing all night. Try and admit, you just can't fight the feeling inside. You know it, and I can see it in your eyes. You and me, as smooth as a mother. Bad, yeah, bitch. Flex on my ex, and my model Lex. Flex on my ex, and my model Lex. Flex on my, flex on my, flex on my.
Here is how to make your jeans way smaller in a fast way. Remove all the labels including the one at the back. Carefully cut inside fabric layer on the two sides, but don't cut the back side. Attach the
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. What I want now. Spin it back. Let a match get lit it back. Jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Going out back in my head, make my soul girl, yeah, yeah. What I want now.
Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me scream, I'm heavy breathing. I don't need the reason, baby.
That's what you want. If I back it up, is it bad enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, and you handle that.
I don't want your body, but I hate you, think about you, it's somebody else.